The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is a popular technical indicator used in trading to measure the momentum of price movements. It is an oscillator that fluctuates between 0 and 100 and is based on the price changes over a specified time period. The RSI is calculated using the average gains and losses of the security over the chosen time period. The RSI indicator can be used to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market. When the RSI is above 70, it is considered overbought, and when it is below 30, it is considered oversold. Traders use this information to identify potential entry and exit points for trades. Here is a simple setup for trading with the RSI indicator. 1. Choose a time frame. The RSI can be applied to any time frame, but it is typically used with shorter time frames, such as 5, 10, or 15 minutes. 2. Set the RSI period. The default setting for the RSI period is 14, but you can adjust it to suit your trading style and the security you are trading. 3. Identify the overbought and oversold levels. As mentioned earlier, the overbought level is typically set at 70, and the oversold level is set at 30. 4. Look for divergences. A divergence occurs when the price of the security and the RSI indicator move in opposite directions. This can be a signal that a reversal is about to occur. 5. Use the RSI to confirm price movements. Traders can use the RSI to confirm price movements. For example, if the price of a security is making a new high, but the RSI is not, it could be a sign of weakness, and a reversal may be imminent. 6. Use the RSI to identify potential entry and exit points. Traders can use the RSI to identify potential entry and exit points. For example, if the RSI is oversold, and then it crosses back above 30, it could be a signal to buy the security. Conversely, if the RSI is overbought and then crosses back below 70, it could be a signal to sell the security. It is important to remember that the RSI indicator is just one tool in a trader's toolkit and should be used in conjunction with other technical indicators and fundamental analysis.